Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome at this YouTube channel again. I hope you want to improve yourself and you can do make better yourself. I think that when we are going to speak some sentences and we think that how we can arrange of my word, what we have to speak front to you. I think that in this video we are going to know some sentences how we keep our thoughts, our talk between of people. I think that if you want to speak fluent yourself, I think that you can speak confidently in front of people and you can do better, and you should try to keep practice. You should try to do work hard for your ambition. I think that after some time, when we are learning, when we think of people, how we can improve and how we can make fluent ourselves, then we learn lot of from the people, and it is need for me. If we want to do, if we want to speak, if we are going to do practice something. So if you do not know make of the sentences, I think that in your mind would not do work. How you can keep your talk front of people. I think that if you are going to do and you think in your mind you have to improve yourself, then you have to do work. I think that discipline is the bridge between of the goal and accomplishment in your life. If you want to achieve, if you want to do, and if you want to give time yourself, I think that you would change in yourself. You would change yourself in your life. You should not forget at the start what are you going to do and how you are going to do. Only you have to focus at yourself. You have to give best your front of people. I think that you should try to do work hard, and one day I hope you would get speak better and you can do everything in your life. And you should try to keep practice, you should try to do work hard. So I think that if we note that make of sentences as we are going to market, as I can do this work, as I can speak fluent, I want know that speak English. Would you told me in which sentences we are using? Where are you going? Where are you going? It is present continuous tense. I can do this work. It is modal. Use of can. I hope you know that. And we should go there. I hope know that. Use of should. We should go there. हमें वहाँ जाना चाहिए. I have met of my friends, but they didn't respond to me. मैंने अपने मित्र से मिला लेकिन वह मुझसे कोई रिस्पॉन्स नहीं किया. Why? I think that if you know make of sentences, if you know think how you have to arrange word and how you have to speak. If I would told to you, you have to give introduction yourself, how would you give? I think that if you do not know make of sentences, if you know that into Hindi, any one language who you are speaking, your who is you speaking your local language, I think that you would explain I am Sandeep, I belong to here. I want to do this work and I achieve lot of achievement in our life. I think that you would explain lot of things in your mind. I think that you would explain lot of things. Who you would say? I think you have to improve. If you have to improve yourself, then you have to need know, and you it is necessary for yourself to speak English, as it is the most important model sentences, making sentences, and preposition. What is preposition? What is models? What is sentence? How we can use in these sentences in our daily routine. It is the most important for everyone people. It is not. If you are a student, if you want to learn, I think that everyone know that who is a student. I think that you can do. There is no one would stay to you, because you are leader of yourself. You are leader of your activity. You are leader of your word, your thinking. I think that if you want to improve, you can do, and you can gain better response yourself. You should not forget at the start, I cannot make fluent, I cannot do this work. I think that when we are going to do practice, when we think about a people, I think that what am I and how people would think about myself if I am going to do wrong. So I think lot of people think about this task. If they are going to do, they think that I am speaking very poor. But if I will do as what people would think, I think that you should not think as, because who are you? Only you know that yourself. People would not know about yourself. How can you gain? How can you make better yourself? You have to need work. I think that I belong in village and I want to improve of myself, and I am practice, I am learning, I am speaking, and I want to give better of myself, because I want to know that I want to improve on self. I think as if you thinking about yourself, so I think that you can change, you can get better, and it is not hard to you. If you are not doing work at yourself, then start work. Do at yourself. People would not ask to you what if you would meet after 3 or 4 years ago, they would also know that about to you what are you doing and what you are get after 5 years ago. They would not know that. If you would meet your friends, they also know that about to you what are you doing and what you are gaining in your life. So do work at yourself and gain better response yourself. If you think that you have to change yourself, you have to speak confidently between of people, I think that you can do, and you should try to keep practice. You have to need work behind of yourself. I think that I am doing practice and I want to improve of our communication skill. I am learning, I am speaking, and I want to make strong. So after some time, I think that your strength for your voice, your strength of your work, you can do everything in your life. You should try to do. You should not forget at this task. There is nothing to impossible in your life. Everything is possible, because impossible always said that. Impossible always said that I am possible. I am possible is equal to impossible. So you should know that yourself, and it is need to know yourself. I think if you are watching at my YouTube channel, so please guys, we have to need your support. Don't forget push the bell icon. Meet you in the next video. I hope you would get achieve better in your life. So thank you watching this video.